Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Still playing with this. Then I thought I'd throw this in. It really helps quite a bit. We put this on a path, and you can see our path line when you're moving it. But the artistic media tool follows it. And if you didn't watch how we did this, you need to back up, watch part 3. It's almost easier to do this in wireframe. Go up to view and wireframe, and then there's our path. You can grab the shape tool and click on that path and totally change the shape of the path. You know, we could move this down, take away that node, you know, completely make our path look different. You know, give it some more curve in a different spot. You don't want to go real sharp. Then just don't forget to go to object, and a lot of times you have to select the whole object, go up to object and break the artistic media apart. And why that's so important, if you draw in a hairline like I do, then I'm going to go back to view and enhance. And if everything else was a 2-point line that would not cut, but your artistic media original stroke was a hairline, and you have a combination job running on your laser, it'll go back and cut that line out and destroy your product. So look at the difference between the two Chinese walls, as the gentleman was trying to build. I'm not saying that's better. I'm just letting you know you can change it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.